Good evening, guys. This is Prakash from Greater Noida, and I am pass out from class 12. I make this video for those students who are writing class 12 to just give them some tips how they can prepare for class 12 board examination. So I was from science background, so my these tips are mainly for those who are right from science stream. So I had PCM in class 12, work with physical education as an additional subject. So I would like to give you some tips subject wise. See, if you will start from the subject chemistry, so what I will suggest you, I will suggest you that it just mug up NCERT, totally mug up of NCERT. Especially all the questions of board exams from chemistry is directly asked from the book, especially organic chemistry. So just go through all the chapters of the book and make separate notes, or take it from your seniors and writing the name of medicines, pure and whatever it is compound or name reaction of the organic chemistry. From inorganic chemistry, P and D block are the two chapters where most of the students lose their marks. So I would suggest you that keep a track that revise it at least 15 days or at least every month. Revise again and again because these two chapters are gonna forget, right? So you need to make them again and again and again and again so that it fit in your mind. So please don't lose their marks. In chemistry, in everyday life, and all those chapters, polymer, biomolecules, they are very easy and scoring chapters. So for chemistry, just mug up your notes and take it from your seniors. If you want to take it from me, then contact me on my number that is given in the description box. For physics, I will suggest you. I know our physics is very pathetic and very boring to read, but still in 2020 board examination, some questions are directly asked from the book. I face a lot of problem. I face a lot of problem. So what I suggest you that just go through NCERT, read it once, right? Solve all the examples and questions from the back exercise. Then coming to mathematics, my favorite. Mathematics for mathematics के लिए मैं बताऊँ आपको. I will suggest you everyone do NCERT only. Do NCERT only. If you don't feel comfortable with this, what you have to do, you can also start with the R.D. Sharma directly. You can also start with the R.D. Sharma directly, right? Because R.D. Sharma is a self-reading book. You can understand everything. You can read, or if you don't have even a good teacher, then I will suggest you that you should complete the NCERT at least once in the vacations before the board examination. You should complete the NCERT 5 times before the board exams. Especially these chapters, integral calculus, probability are the main chapter of mathematics, where children lose their marks. Integral calculus, probability, and determinant also. determinant also the same extent, but it's not issue. So these two chapters should be done properly from the board exams. From vector algebra and 3D, our actual question is very trendy. That image wala question. That image wala question is very trendy, and that is not in the NCERT. So you should prepare it from the RD Sharma. And that image wala question is also in the board examination question paper 2013, 15 and 2018.